Kuma blackmails Solomz and Rebecca into letting him stay at their funeral parlor and continue with his coffin stealing business. Nandi breaks up with Solomzi and decides to move back to KZN. Mamnam Safane apologizes to Tenjiwe for everything she put her through. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita the enemy. Kuma ubambe uRebecca noSolomzi lapha omncane khona. Got a video or picture of them with the dug up coffin. Now he's blackmailing them. If they ever Mamxosha Lana is going to expose them. So yeah, they must just leave him alone. Let him push umshika wake. They mind their business and he minds his own business. That's the deal he's offering. I've Solomzi because he has no choice. Like Ukuma has evidence. If this gets out, he's in trouble. And then Unalita decides to show up at the funeral parlor. I'm getting like Solomzi ukuthi Isabelli baskir le town and says as you've got guards showing up here after ruining my life. Hey, waqasuka uchuma ati that's what happens when you can't keep your zip up. And if I ever hear you talking to my wife again like that, like you'll go meet your ancestors. And then so and then Nanda's mom goes to see Usolomzi saying ukuthi yazini but ma ufike nini la athi yazini I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for amanyala akho. Please fix this thing. Unanda ayikho right. She's busy crying the whole time. If umthanda Nandi, go and fix this thing. Nandi speaks to Tenjiwe, saying to Tenjiwe Azuma is not making things easy for her because she believes that all men cheat, so Unandi must forgive Solomzi. But Tenjiwe, hey girl, choose yourself, put yourself first. And then Solomzi goes to see Nandi. Nandi says she's moving to KZN and selling the house. Solomzi feels this is Nandi's doing this to punish him so that he doesn't sue baby Kaya. But Nandi's like, you ruined this life for us. You ruined everything for us when you went and cheated Nonolita. So manje, I want nothing to do with you. You can always come to KZN and sue mtwanako. It's over between us. I want nothing to do with you. You lied to me and no one forced you to sleep with Nolita. Because hey, she was trying to get a revenge on Kumate. No one forced you. You were not drugged. You did that willingly. It's over between us. Please get out of here. Ngapha uthenjiwe business yakhe shame at least it's succeeding in Zipo. Umark is starting to come around, but Ulo is still a bit distant. And then Mark finally apologizes for everything that she's done because she was not supporting Uthenjiwe. But only apologizes because Ubulelani made her see ukuthi support when and then she takes Umbedo Tenjiwe from home and takes it to the apartment and tells Tenjiwe she has her blessings. She can move out. Tenjiwe got a surprise of her life when she got to the apartment. They're setting up the bed. And Mawake also got her new curtains. So it was nice now that she's finally allowed her to move out. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.